I'm going to show you an automation of duplicating the slide X times. We have this more titles selection, and we can copy and paste this, absolutely, but we can also Command D and duplicate that. But if we want to duplicate it a very specific number of times, that's going to be just slightly difficult. But we have this automation that we can duplicate slide, and it's going to ask us how many times do we want to duplicate it. If we want 10, let's hit OK, and it's going to duplicate it exactly 10 times. This is very useful for creating multiple headlines, slides, any kind of like duplication that you want to do. Very specific number. I'm going to show you how to do this and how simple it can be to create more automations from a very simple script. We're going to go to Extensions, App Script. It will open something like this. Now, I've already written this for you, and we already have an onOpen function. This is just getting the UI, creating the menu that's up here next to help. That's all that part is doing. Second part, our function duplicate slide X times. We are getting the current slide. We're checking how many slides are in this selection with just dot length adding at the end here. And if that count is more than one, we're just going to say, hey, you need to select only one slide. If nothing's selected, we tell the user, please select the slide. If we have only one slide selected, we'll ask how many times to duplicate the slide. It's a little bit of a UI here. It's just slides app.get UI.prompt, and then asking how many times do you want to duplicate it. And then once we get that response, we're using that number as a for loop to say this is how many times to duplicate it. So really, this slide.duplicate is the base code to say we duplicate it. So I'm going to show you how to use this in another automation that we're going to write. We're going to add another menu here, add item, duplicate slide 10 times. So we can just type in exactly 10 times, duplicate it. In one click, we can duplicate it 10 times instead of having to do the Command D or copy paste 10 times. And we're going to call this duplicate 10 times. Function duplicate 10 times. We need those parentheses there and curly brackets to actually execute this function. We're going to do const slide equals slides app get active presentation, get selection, get current page as slide. And then we're going to do slide. That's that const here, this variable. Duplicate. Make sure you have this parentheses at the end. This will duplicate it one time. So we just literally copy and paste this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This alone, just doing this 10 times, will duplicate the slide 10 times. So let's save this. And to add this to our menu, we will need to reopen the sheet or refresh it. We could, or close it and open it again. It'll have this automations menu, and there it is. Duplicate slide 10 times. So let's delete these and select one and duplicate 10 times. And there it is. Done and done. So we can go back to our execution app scripts. We can create more of these. Let's say we want to duplicate it 2 times or 3 times or 100 times. We can do that. But this lines of code are going to be exactly the number of times we duplicate. Let's do a little for loop to do 100 times so we don't have to copy paste this code 100 times. Function duplicate 100 times. We're going to add it first to our automation menu and make sure we have the exact function name here. The first part is what the user sees, and the second part is what the function name is to actually execute it. So we're going to get our existing slide, and then for I equals 1, semicolon, I is less than 100, which I think this will be 99 times. So I do 0, and then I plus plus. So we're going to do 0, add it all the way up to 99, and then once it's 100, it will stop. Slide.duplicate. We'll save that. And now this single line of code, slide.duplicate, is going to be running 100 times. We can change this to, let's say, I equals 1 and I is less than or equal to 100, so that once it runs 101 times, it will stop. It won't do the 101st time. And let's see this code. Let's delete everything except the very first. We have to make sure we close and reopen to get that other option in our slides automation. So let's refresh it. See that automations menu come up, duplicate 100 times. It'll run fairly quickly. does 100 duplications. Perfect. That's the automation to duplicate your slide X times. We have shown you how to get a prompt and how to actually execute this any specific number of times. If you want this exact code, check out bettersheets.co/slides. You can get this code exactly, copy and paste it for free, along with a number of other slide automations over at bettersheets.co/slides. And make sure you subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets to get more out of your Google Sheets and now Google Slides.